Hi, I'm Erin from WTI, and I've been blessed with thick hair, but it is also super tangly, and it has been a challenge for me to find a brush that I love until now. This brush has been a lifesaver for my hair. It has been so healthy since I bought this brush. This brush is specially designed to just effortlessly glide through the hair, and it does just that. So whether you have curly hair, straight hair, this will even work on like the curliest, coarsest hair, which is why I had to try it. I love its design. It's very lightweight. At first I was like, how's a plastic brush gonna work that well? But it just does. I also love with this brush how I can use it to refresh my curls. So when I curl my hair and it's nice and beautiful and bouncy and curly and shiny, halfway through the day it can get kind of like lackluster looking. All I have to do is run my brush through it, and that will help distribute the natural oils in my hair and the hair product and just help make it just bring it back to life. The design of the brush, the handle specifically, because it's curved, it holds really nicely. My hand doesn't feel cramped, it doesn't hurt. I use this when my hair is wet, I use it when it is dry, I use it when it's curly to separate the curls, I use it to refresh my curls. I love this brush. I use it on my bangs when they need a little refresh. So the word obsessed gets thrown around a lot. But like this brush is top notch. It is the top of its game when it comes to brushes. And that is my point of view.